great day, beauties. Thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we want beauties everywhere to know beauty starts within. So I'm at a client's house helping her prepare her meals, and she told me she couldn't take her food with her because where she was going, her food was not allowed. So what do you think I told her? Your food is going to have to go with you. I told her, your food is going to have to go with you. Put your food in your bag. At your lunch break, take your food out of your bag and eat your food. If you're not prepared, then you're not going to win. I did not lose 90 pounds and keep it off for many years not being prepared. You have to be prepared. You must take your food with you. I don't care. No excuses. I had to have I had a basket of fruit in my vehicle that I just kept with me. I had nuts in my vehicle that I kept with me. I had pieces of fruit inside my purse. You have got to do that, because if you don't, you'll pull over at the nearest fast food joint and sabotage your health and beauty goals. So that's my tip for today. Always be prepared. Take your food with you. No excuses. I have a video. As a matter of fact, I have a video probably below. No, it'll be up here. I have a video up here I want you to click. And it just talks about how I'm prepared. Take your food with you. What did I say? Take your food with you. Let me hear it one more time. Take your food with you. Thank you for gifting me with your time. And thank you for tuning into Inward Beauty, where I want you to always remember, beauty starts within. All right, beauty, so let me show you what I have for my client. Right now, she's still in plastic. We will get her out of plastic eventually, but she's so comfortable in her plastic Tupperware dishes. She's not like me and wanting to take glass out of the house. So we have a beautiful salad for her. Isn't that beautiful? You like it? Yes. Then we have another little snack for her. And then we have another little snack for her. So this food is going inside the courtroom in her bag. This food is also going inside her classroom in her bag. And when it's lunchtime, she'll just pull this food out of her bag. So I'm not sure why she thought I was going to let her go out of this house without being prepared. Not happening. All right? What I say? Always be prepared. Her food is going with her everywhere she goes. Thanks for tuning into Inward Beauty, where we want beauties always to know beauty starts within.